Hey guys, my name is Merlin, and today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego Minecraft dog. These are the pieces you're going to need for the body of the dog. Okay, so to start off with the body, we're going to get 1x3 bricks. We're going to put them in a shape like this. Then we're going to get this L plate and a 1x2 plate. And we're going to put the L brick, so one of the bits is going across that gap there, and the plate so that it's filling in that space. I'm going to flip this upside down. Then on the back of it, we're going to put a 1x1 plate on top of there. Now we're going to make the tail. To make the tail, we're going to get a 1x1 tile with a little clip on it, and a 1x2 tile with a bracket on the side. I'm going to put those two together. Then we're going to get the 1x3 tile here, put that on top of there, and at the back to finish off the tail we're going to put a 1x1 tile to clean that off. Then we bend this bit here downwards, then we grab the body, and then we put it so the bench joint bit there of the tail goes on the inside of that hole, and we can make it go up and down. Then we're going to get two more 1x2 tiles with little bracket bits on them, and we're going to put them on the tops of these bits here, like this. Then we need a 1x2 tile that goes on the inside there between those two, and then a 1x3 tile. Then we need two 2x3 bricks and two 1x3 bricks, and we're going to put the 1x3 brick like so. So that in this kind of pattern, so one going down and then the other beside it, and then one going on top of those to put those together, and one going beside it. Then we need tiles of light grey. They just have to be light grey on the sides. It doesn't matter what's on top of them. So for this I'm using these gauge pieces that I never use, that come with vehicles and stuff, because that won't be seen. Then we need two 1x3 tiles. Put like that. Now on top of these two 1x3 tiles, we're going to put the 3 studs on the inside of the 3 holes that are on this 2x4 tile here, like this. So it's just like that on the inside there. Then we need to just do that again for the one down there. Then on facing towards the bottom here where those other brackets are, we're going to put these 1x2 bricks with brackets on the side of them, followed by a 2x4 brick in light grey and a 1x4 brick in light grey. Then on top of that we're just going to do two 2x4 bricks. Oh, the tail will fall off, as you can see there. It's just, you just got to be delicate with it. And then for the collar, we're going to get a 1x4 tile on the top and bottom, two 1x2 tiles on the sides, and then in the middle we're going to do a 2x2 jumper plate. And there you go, that's the body for your dog. These are the pieces you're going to need for the head of the dog. Right, so now for the head of the dog, we're going to get two 2x3 plates, put one on top of the other like so. Then we turn that around, we're going to make the ears on the back, so we're going to get two 1x2 black plates, put them like so. Then in between them we're going to get a 1x1 grey tile or plate, and then two 1x1 grey tiles, and put those on top of the black studs there and there. Then we're going to get a 1x3 tan plate, and on top of that we're going to get a 2x3 tan plate, put that on top of there. Then we're going to get a 1x3 tile. On top of the tan tile there we're going to put a tan jumper plate, followed by two light grey jumper plates like that, so they're crossing between each of the jumper plates. And then we're going to get a 1x1 tile, in grey, and then 2 1x1 tiles in tan, like so. Then for the facial features, so for the snout we're going to get 2 1x1 tiles, put those together and put that on the jumper plate, like so. And on top of that we're going to get a custom painted jumper plate to represent his snout, his mouth and nose right there. To paint this I used a fine permanent marker, so if you want to do that yourself, that's fine. And then I just need 2 Lego brand printed eyes. And then we can position them looking at the nose, just like in the game. There's cute eyes, and that's the head, and then we just have to put that onto the body. And there you go, that's the body and the head done. These are the pieces you're going to need for the legs of the dog. Okay, so now for the legs, we're going to get all of the 1x1 grey bricks. We're going to do 4 little 2s like that, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then for the back legs we're going to get 2 of these 1x1 plates, and then we're going to just put the 2 of the legs on top of those like that. Now on top of all of the legs we're just going to put these 1x1 tiles with a clip on top and put them on top of the legs. This will make it so we can actually attach them to the body and have it so they can move, like so. There we go. Now we just have to grab the dog itself, get the 2 back legs, which are a plate taller than the front ones, and then put the front ones on the clip bits in the middle of those bits so they're all lined up perfectly. And there you have it. You've got yourself a Minecraft dog. And to make him sit down, you could position his legs like that, have his tail pointing up. There he is, sitting down. And that's the dog. Thank you guys for watching my video on how to make the Lego Minecraft Big Dog, and I'll catch you guys later with the next one. See ya!